Camco's Adirondack Tables create a convenient tabletop in any situation. They're the perfect addition to your campsite, patio, pool, or home. You can use them as side tables for drinks, snacks, keys, as footrests, dinner tables for one, or extra countertop space. The possibilities are endless. The Adirondack table is easy to set up. Simply unfold the legs, click them into place, and it's ready to go. When you're done, the Adirondack table folds flat, so you can store it just about anywhere. Weighing in at just under 3 pounds, these lightweight tables are made out of durable ABS plastic and are UV stabilized so they won't fade or become brittle in the sun. All the hardware is weather resistant and won't rust. Camco's Adirondack tables come in 2 sizes, a large and a small, and each size is available in 10 different colors. So pick the size and color that best suits your needs and get yourself an Adirondack table or 2 today from Camco.
Camco.net.